I'm coming on today for my mini reading. I hope everybody had a beautiful weekend. I know I did. It was just soaked up the sun, relaxed, and rejuvenated, which is so important. Just taking some time. It's so important to do that. I you don't have, if you're the first time seeing me, you don't have to resonate with this whole message. It could just be one thing. I do a shorter version on TikTok and Instagram, so if you want to head over there, you can. And I do energy healing at the end of the video, but I always let you know when I'm going to start, so you can either stay or not. Just leave a comment either way. I do offer this privately, and I also want to remind you I have Wednesdays an enlightened group that I would love for more of you to join, to come on, try it out. The first time it's free. It's spiritual guidance, it's messages, it's a nice group of people, and I'm also offering Thursdays from 3 to 4, so if that works better, PM, it's Eastern Standard Time, just so you know. Just email me. My email is in the description box always if you need to reach out. Okay, just take some deep breaths. It's just going to calm you, and it's just going to relax you. You know, breathe with your belly. Listen to your breath and just let it out is what I keep getting. Something about dog is comforting. The dog's comforting. It brings you peace. The presence, just having the presence of one. You just have a strong connection. There's a strong connection with animals. Mine is right here. I was gone for a couple of days, so he was not happy. So he is right by my side, and that's where he has been. And there's the other one. So yeah, there's definitely something about dogs. You know, you work with them, you do more, you connect. There's like an energy. You know what they're feeling, and what's going on. So continue to do that work in any form, or if you just have them. Okay. Seeing like angelic wings. It's on the animals. The wings are on the animals, on your animals, because you have several around you. Angel wings. Definitely brought to us for at different times and when we need them, and there's definitely, reason synchronicities for those, for the animals also. Okay, I'm definitely seeing butterfly. The butterfly energy is around. I'm also seeing butterfly and dragonfly. Which I did see. There was a lot of dragonflies this weekend. Just the magic, just the beauty and the magic all around. The ocean, the beach, the salt air, the dolphins. It was just all around. So this is, just take those moments to see that. Just take the moments to see that it is there. Wherever you are, it doesn't have to, always be the beach. You can walk outside. There's, the wildlife, the nature, it's all there. The flowers, the trees. Soak it in. Soak it in. It's very refreshing. Soak in nature. 6, 9, 10, 11, 13. I'm hearing 14 and 18. 3 and 2. Aquarius, Capricorn, Taurus, Libra, Sag. I think there's a full moon. It's a full moon coming up in Capricorn, though, so that might be another thing. Yeah, I think that is full moon. I'm getting, and I know it's not a Sagittarius full moon, but I'm getting something about the Sagittarius full moon, and now will come something happen then, and then it's going to be brought in with Capricorn. Full moon. Okay, that'll resonate with who it needs to. Pisces, Gemini, Aries. And it's almost like, yeah, I felt like Aries was waving their hand. I'm here, I'm here. The Aries is here. I don't know. Maybe that's to get somebody to pay attention. I'm seeing peacock feather. It's protection is what I'm hearing. Someone uses it. J, C, P, Q, L, V. So T, a B, a D, A, E, R, and S. Hold on. Sorry about that. There's machines out there, so he's letting me know. Something about stand in your power. Shake it off. I am actually, and I'm, shake it off. I'm seeing like a greenhouse. Something with plants. Greenhouse. Growing your own vegetables. Okay. For somebody. Then I'm seeing I'm seeing a rainbow quartz tower is what I'm getting, the crystal tower. So it's a rainbow crystal tower. Is what I'm saying. Quartz. I'm getting quartz. You use that energy. There's somebody needs to use it. Hold on to it. It'll give you some strength. The vibration of it. It's a good vibration for you. Oh my gosh. I'm seeing kids, if you know the song Ring Around the Rosies, well, the rhyme or whatever that we used to say, I don't know, Ring Around the Rosies, and I'm seeing children doing that. I don't know. That'll resonate how it has to. Okay, take a deep breath in. I'm going to do the energy healing. If you don't want that, just leave a comment. Either way, that's how you get in an energy space. A nice big deep breath in through your belly. It's blowing up that belly. Blow up that belly and hold it for 4. And then a nice sigh out for 4. Sparkling energy. You're lit up. You're like your energy is just sparkling. It's like all around you and you're seeing it. You're bringing light to people. That's what I'm hearing. Okay. I'm sorry. I get messages as I do the energy healing. It comes in both for me, so it's all similar. So just if you're here, you could still get messages. If you're not, then I trust you received what you needed. So we're just breathing, nice breaths. I'm seeing green for healing. This is just going to take away some physical, and I'm hearing scattered brain is what I'm hearing. So if you're here, you know, just to bring your focus onto one thing. So just bring in that nice, calm, peaceful into your heart and mind. Calm. Focus on one breath. Just breathe. Nice breaths. Just bring it to some peace. Okay, another nice breath in. And just sigh it out and let it all go. 11:01, 11:01 I saw. So that's for somebody. Okay. Leave a comment. Love and blessings and keep sparkling.